8 Impressive health benefits of pineapple. The sweet and tropical fruit known as pineapple is incredibly healthy. It has a wide variety of nutrients and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can be eaten raw, cooked, or even freshly sliced. Originating in South America, it was named by early European colonizers for its resemblance to a pine cone. Aside from being incredibly healthy, pineapple has also been known to improve one's immunity and digestion. Here are 8 impressive health benefits of pineapple. 1. Loaded with nutrients. Pineapples are low in calories but boast an impressive nutrient profile. Just 1 cup, 165 grams, of pineapple chunks contains the following nutrients. Calories, 83. Fat, 1.7 grams. Protein, 1 gram. Carbs, 21.6 grams. Fiber, 2.3 grams. Vitamin C, 88% of the daily value, DV. Manganese, 109% of the DV. Vitamin B6, 11% of the DV. Copper, 20% of the DV. Thiamine, 11% of the DV. Folate, 7% of the DV. Potassium, 4% of the DV. Magnesium, 5% of the DV. Niacin, 5% of the DV. Pantothenic acid, 7% of the DV. Riboflavin, 4% of the DV. Iron, 3% of the DV. Pineapples also contain trace amounts of phosphorus, zinc, calcium, and vitamins A and K. Aside from being incredibly healthy, pineapple is also filled with manganese and vitamin C. These nutrients are needed for various health functions, such as boosting the metabolism and immune system. One of the most effective ways to ward off chronic diseases and cancer is by consuming antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables. Aside from these nutrients, pineapple also has other nutrients that are needed for a healthy metabolism, such as copper and vitamin B6. 2. Contains disease-fighting antioxidants. Aside from being incredibly healthy, pineapple also has other nutrients that are needed for a healthy metabolism. Antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables such as pineapple can help ward off free radicals. Prolonged exposure to high levels of free radicals can trigger inflammation and damage to the cells, which can lead to various chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables such as pineapple can help ward off free radicals. 2 studies conducted on rats revealed that consuming pineapple can help protect the heart. Many of the antioxidants found in pineapple are bound antioxidants, which means they can produce long-lasting effects. 3. May aid digestion. You'll often find pineapple served alongside meats and poultry in countries such as Brazil. Interestingly, this fruit contains a group of digestive enzymes called bromelain that may ease the digestion of meat. The bromelain in pineapple is a type of digestive enzyme that breaks down protein into its building blocks. Once the protein molecules are destroyed, the small intestine can easily absorb them. It's also helpful for people with a condition called pancreatic insufficiency, which prevents the production of pancreatic enzymes. Bromelain is also widely used as a commercial meat tenderizer due to its ability to break down tough meat proteins. A test tube study revealed that bromelain reduced the levels of inflammatory markers in the intestine. What's more, pineapples are a good source of fiber, which aids digestive health. 4. May reduce your risk of cancer. Uncontrolled cell growth is a common cause of cancer. Its progression is often linked to chronic inflammation and oxidative stress. Numerous studies have shown that consuming pineapple can help reduce the risk of cancer. Its compounds, such as bromelain, can also help lower the levels of inflammation in the body. Some studies show that bromelain may also help treat cancer that is already developed. One study revealed that bromelain can help suppress the growth of breast cancer cells. Another study conducted on mice revealed that the compound can enhance the effects of anti-cancer therapy. Other test tube studies have produced similar results for skin, colorectal, or bile duct cancers. Studies also suggest that bromelain can stimulate the body's natural immune system to fight against cancer cells. This could help prevent the growth of these cancer cells. That said, pineapple contains much less bromelain than supplements do. A review of the available studies on human subjects revealed that bromelain does not appear to be beneficial in treating cancer. Overall, more human research is necessary. 5. May boost immunity and suppress inflammation. Pineapples have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Aside from being filled with nutrients, pineapples also contain various enzymes and minerals that can help improve the body's immunity. In an older 9-day study, 98 healthy children ate either no pineapple, roughly 1 cup, 140 grams, of pineapple, or roughly 2 cups, 280 grams, of pineapple daily. Those who ate pineapple had a significantly lower risk of both viral and bacterial infections. Plus, the children who ate the most of this fruit had almost 4 times more disease-fighting white blood cells than the other groups. A 30-day study with 40 adults with chronic sinusitis revealed that those who took a 500 mg supplement of bromelain had a faster recovery. What's more, studies have shown that bromelain can reduce markers of inflammation, thereby aiding immune health. Early test tube studies also suggest that taking a combination of compounds, such as bromelain, can help slow down the progression of COVID-19. Despite the positive effects of bromelain on COVID-19, further studies are needed to confirm its effects on humans. 6. May ease symptoms of arthritis. About 54 million people in the US suffer from arthritis, which is a type of inflammation that affects the joints. Taking a supplement can help people with arthritis relieve their pain. One study noted that those who took a bromelain-based treatment were able to achieve the same results as those who took regular pain medication. Another study revealed that taking a supplement containing bromelain can help people with osteoarthritis, which is a type of arthritis, relieve their pain. A test tube study also noted that bromelain can protect cartilage tissue from degradation. This compound can also help decrease the severity of osteoarthritis. All the same, more human research, on pineapples, not just bromelain, is needed. 7. May speed recovery after surgery or strenuous exercise. Eating pineapple may reduce the time it takes to recover from surgery or exercise. Aside from being filled with nutrients, pineapples also contain bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Studies also suggest that eating bromelain can reduce the severity of bruising, swelling, and pain that commonly occur after surgery. It can also help decrease the markers of inflammation. 2 reviews suggest that bromelain may reduce discomfort, pain, or swelling after dental surgery. One review noted that in almost all of the studies conducted on bromelain, it was able to improve the recovery following skin procedures. Aside from improving the recovery time following surgery, studies also suggest that bromelain can speed up the recovery of muscle tissue damage during exercise. Nonetheless, more research is needed before this compound can be recommended for post-training recovery. 8. Easy to add to your diet. Pineapples are sweet, convenient, and easy to add to your diet. Aside from being available in supermarkets and stores, fresh fruit is also easy to find. You can also buy it frozen or canned. You can enjoy pineapple on its own, in smoothies, on salads, or homemade pizzas. Here are a few fun recipe ideas that feature pineapple. Breakfast, smoothie with pineapple, blueberry, and Greek yogurt. Salad, tropical roast chicken, almonds, blueberries, and pineapple atop lettuce or other greens. Lunch, homemade Hawaiian burgers, beef burgers with a pineapple ring. Dinner, pineapple fried rice and seitan. Dessert, homemade pineapple whip, frozen pineapple chunks blended with a splash of coconut milk and a dash of lemon juice. Are there any health risks to eating pineapple? Although it's considered a low-risk food, avoiding or restricting the consumption of pineapples if you have a known allergic reaction is advised. People with diabetes should be mindful of serving sizes to keep their blood sugar stable. Even if people with diabetes and other food allergies are not allergic to pineapple, consuming too much of it can have potentially harmful effects. For instance, consuming too much bromelain can affect the blood clotting action of certain blood thinners. People who are sensitive to bromelain might experience a variety of side effects, such as nausea and vomiting. These side effects are not considered to be scientifically proven. Some people also believe that eating unripe pineapples can cause nausea and stomach upset. However, this side effect hasn't been studied. It's always best to eat ripe pineapple. The bottom line: pineapples are delicious, versatile, and loaded with nutrients and antioxidants. The compounds and nutrients found in pineapples have been known to improve a variety of health conditions, such as arthritis and cancer. More studies are needed to confirm these effects. You can eat this fruit blended, roasted, sautéed, or fresh, either on its own or in any number of dishes. Just one thing. If you're craving a sweet and ripe pineapple but it's not yet ready, try placing it in a paper bag. This will help speed up the fruit's ripening process. The bag traps ethylene gas emitted by the fruit and accelerates ripening. This method also works with bananas.